Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. So today I'm bringing you this nice exponential equation where we have 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus 9 is equals to 0. I want us to solve the value of x that satisfy this equation. So we'll begin by 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus 9 is equals to 0. So we'll begin by this term over here, where we'll use this exponential equation that says if you have a to the power of m plus n is the same as writing a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we have a to the power of m plus n, which is 3 to the power of x plus 1, expressing it in this form. So this will be 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1, this one here, plus 9 is equals to 0, right? Next step, I can write this 3 to the power of 2x like 3 to the power of x, all this to the power of 2, minus we have 2 times 3, which is 6. So 3 to the power of 1 is just 3 times 2, 6 times 3 to the power of x plus 9 is equals to 0. So if you observe keenly, 3 to the power of x here is our common factor. So we can say let 3 to the power of x be y. 3 to the power of x is y. We shall substitute it with y. So this will be y squared minus 6 times y, this is 6y, plus 9, this 9 here is equals to 0. Have you seen that? Next step, we formed a quadratic equation. We can solve it using factorization method, quadratic formula, or by complete square method. So let us solve by factorization method, grouping and factorizing. So we have this middle term here where it's negative 6. We shall look the sum, which is negative 6, and our product, we take the coefficient of y squared, which is 1 times 9. This gives us 9. So we look for two numbers. When we multiply them both, we are getting 9. When we add the two numbers, we're getting negative 6. So these two numbers are negative 3 and negative 3. If you add them, you are getting negative 6. And if you multiply them, you are getting 9. So we shall substitute these two numbers in our quadratic equation. Therefore, y squared minus 3y, this one here, plus our 9 here is equals to 0, right? Next step is to group them into two terms and factor out the common factor. Our common factor for this term here is y minus 3, and we shall factor out here negative 3, so this will be y minus 3 is equals to 0. So sorry, our common factor here was y. So you will take y, the one that is outside the bracket, and negative 3, so this is y and negative 3 into y minus 3. Y minus 3 is our common factor, so we'll pick 1. They are similar, is equals to 0. So we shall equate with 0. Y minus 3 is equals to 0. This means that y is equals to 3. Taking this negative to the other side, y is equals to 3. So remember we had said above here, let 3 to the power of x be y. We now have the value of y. We shall substitute it with 3 to the power of x. 3 to the power of x is equals to y. Our y, 3. Our bases are the same, so this 3 we can write it to the power of 1. 3 to the power of 1 is 1, so our bases are the same. We can equate the exponent. X is equals to 1. So we've solved for the value of x, and our solution is x is equals to 1. So this is our right answer. X is equals to 1. So remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Bye bye.